Okay.
Right,
oh. Yeah, and welcome back to part 2 of the ATC 250R build. We're just testing out that suspension that's not even hooked up.
It's not bad at all.
We got a broken fork and the suspension ain't even hooked up. Are you tired, sir?
Yeah. Need some water.
All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take this all apart and strip it down to the bare frame. Should be a wild ride. We're gonna have to cut this swing arm bolt out because it is lock solid. It will not come out, so hopefully that goes well. You got any words for us there, Jake?
Negative.
Negative? Come on, you gotta say something. People want to know more about you.
Well,
who are you?
I work in silence.
Okay, well that...
Real G's moving silence. Like lasagna.
This thing's a mess.
Let the tire go wonky.
I don't know what to do.
It's in so many pieces. Oh my god. Is it not? Oh my god. That damn lowrider suspension.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
It's good boots.
Let me get a close up. New profile picture, look. Zach, new profile picture.
Smile for the camera.
Yeah, you need to use them. That's gonna be a good one.
Can we figure out here? I'll let you do it this.
Alright.
You know what? Something just happened.
Well, the suspension
Make this thing do it. Really.
It's hard.
Oh. That hit him in the dilly.
The tallywhacker.
Roll it forward. Just a minute.
Yep.
I bet you never seen a track folded up like this before.
Look on for. I just dragged
She's a beaut.
Aftermath video of somebody crashing. Too late. It's too late. The video's over.
So we finally got it out. Finally. It only took how long because of the air pressure on the compressor?
I don't know. About 2 hours, yeah. About 2 hours.
Yeah, but it's done now. So I think that's all we're gonna do for today. I know it's a short video, but we made progress. So
I got it. Hang on.
what song request?
What's that in there?
She's totally trash.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
This is Dylan 107 signing out for Chumley 109.
God
Y'all
damn.
have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and a good 4th of July and whatever else comes in between that.
Yeah.
I love you. I hope to see you later. If you don't start subscribing more, we're going to try to figure out how to make better videos. But we're really trying right now.
Hit that like button.
Love you. Like and subscribe. You can like the out of this post. Do it for Dylan.
You heard the man.
Do it for Dale. Do it for Dylan.
Till next time, signing out. See y'all later.